chicken here is made from the soya bean.
Yeah, right.
And some of the pork, some of the beef in here as well. And you see the prawns here. Later on it will be like this. And you know, actually before they just do it from the natural, like they cut something from the natural, the soup into the salad or into the barbecue or something raw. Okay. And we have two types of the herbs here. Look similar but different.
Green and brown.
Yeah, like this. Okay. So I let you smell the leaf and you tell me what is this. Okay. Okay. It's the coconut palm. The
Oh, really?
It's from on the top of the coconut tree. Okay, so we just pick the top one like this and you can eat it raw. Okay, or you can do the salad. Or today we do the salad with this one too. The snake has fish on her hand. When you cook the sour soup or you stew in the clay pot with some of the fish sauce, it's also very nice taste. Sometimes we just do the charcoal barbecue or you can deep fry it. Okay. Some of the spring onion, some pepper, some fish sauce in there, and they deep fry it. Okay, yeah. Fry the black fish, everyone. Okay, yeah. And the small fish there, they just need to skin it and use the rice paper. Add some vegetable, put the meat, put the fish and then roll it and dip in the sauce in the rice. Okay, yeah. We love to eat something very small like that. Okay. You need to remove it like this. Okay, and we don't eat the white part over there. We just eat the stem or we eat the leaf only. Okay, yeah. And today we have the mustard leaf. It looks like this, everyone. The taste similar to the wasabi. That's why we call it the mustard leaf with some of the morning porridge. So in here they have a collection of the mushroom, everyone. Oyster mushroom, some of the enoki mushroom, okay. Shiitake mushroom over here, and straw mushroom. Straw, okay. Yeah, so I just buy it like this. Okay, this one just $15,000.
No.
The blue one.
Jasmine tea.
It's good. What's that one? Yeah. Jasmine.
Fruit? No, not for sale.
This is the fish sauce. You add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce.